The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Benton County, north central Stearns County, south central Morrison County until 6:15 p.m. At 5:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Holdingford, or 20 miles northwest of St. Cloud, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.